Me again. Anyways. Damn, I told myself I'd turn it off. Why not? Works. I don't know, Daisy. Okay, this part, should I go over here? I might go over here. Why not? Let's see this ending. What, huh? Why did I shoot there? What is wrong with me? What am I doing? Nope, no, 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 no. Well, what a predicament. I should probably just run away, but, yeah, I have a gun. Let me exercise my Second Amendment. I don't even live in America, but still. No, 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 I'm sorry. No, 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 no. No, 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 no! Ow! God, okay, well, alright, I'm sorry I did that. Ow, God. I'll probably lower that in post. In case, you know, you want sensitive to ringing sounds or whatever. Yeah, I am sorry for that. Sorry for a lot of stuff, actually. Nope. No, 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 no. Okay, we're good. Blue door. You need to... How many of you are there? Oh, I hate you. God, what? Oh, God. I know I shouldn't be this scared of them. I'm probably playing it up, but still. Jesus, man, I don't like it. Oh, that's subtle. I like that. Leads into there, huh? Like, rip this. Turn that off. And we're good. No, thank you. I gotta use this more often, man. I love this thing. Hi. Oh, hello there. Damn it. There you go, better. God. Alright, so go for a headshot with the hammer. Good to know. Nice. Splendid. Is there nothing in here? Alright, I guess not. Well, that was a waste of time. Oh no, I opened this. Huh. Maybe it wasn't a waste of time. Unlike a lot of things in life that I do. Hammer. I already got that. I'm good. And this... yeah, there's Beretta. Okay, it's good. I like it. I like Berettas. but I'm sorry. It just does the most damage to like any shot, so I like it more. Oh, right, down here. Okay, the fact that there's a rope there implies someone climb down. Why wouldn't you just keep the rope, keep the grate off if you're... Alright. You know what? Forget it. I should probably go over some of the topics I talked about in the last... Yeah, I can't speak. I'm so sorry. I gotta slow down. I should probably talk about some of the topics in my last video because... Hey, you can actually understand what I'm saying now. Well, if I talk any slower, that is. But, like... Only thing I can remember is the fact that... Cry of Fear has a lot of Silent Hill 3 in it. No, come on! Screw you. Just kill me. No, I'm not dying. I'm not dying to you. Oh god. I just realized I'm afraid of spiders, and those things look like spiders, and I hate them. The thing with the Magnum is, once you shoot them, it's like it lowers their health enough to just finish them off with a couple of shots. What the hell? Oh, technical dip. Oh, first. Okay, hang on. Sorry. For a second, I thought there was like a spider on my hoodie, but no, we're good. Oh, hello. There you go, better. You know, fun fact about this game, in the original, this room is where you would find the AK-47. Or AK-74. With like the folding stock thing. And it was pretty sick. And I kind of wish they brought it back, but then again, it's a horror game, it doesn't need an assault rifle. But then again, it's more of a battle rifle, not an assault rifle. Hey, forget it. I'm sorry. I don't even rush this up. Anyways. Yes, I need that. Good. Double. Oh, come on! We're doing this? Some more? That's what I thought. Give me this. I need that. That's really cool. Alright, nice. Missed 3 shots in a row. What the hell was that? I still took a hit. Pathetic. Okay, alright, that's nice, that's nice. And... Okay, progress. Sick. You'll love to see it. Can I get out of here now? Okay, good. Yes, please. So on top of being an addict, David is a kleptomaniac. You'll love to see it. Well, not really, but then you get the point. 31 shotgun shells, like 56 rounds in reserve. Yeah, I can't speak. I'd say we're doing pretty good on ammo. That's a hit, is it? That's meant to be. That's a hit. I'm shooting him in the face. The face, not just a face. The face. All right. Thanks, stand still. Okay, we're good. The trick of this thing is just to aim for the face and beat their brains in. That sounds bad, But they're monsters. They're trying to kill me, so it's in self-defense. Hi. And... No! No! We're good. We're good. You too. And... See? There's the strat. I had it a while ago. I can't speak. I had it a while ago, then I lost it, and I got it back. And damn it! All right, nice. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's a disappointment. I thought I was gonna get something cool, but no, it's part of the body. Oh, hi. Gonna. Come on. Multiple targets, come on. Ah, forget it. Alright, you want some more? Oh, whoops. No! There you go, easy does it. Easy does it, lads. No. Oh, okay, sorry, I'm sorry. No, I'm not gonna take that now. I'll save it for later. That's 1, 3. It's 4 over there, I think. Oh, wait, no, get back here. Is that all of them? I think that's all of them. Alright. Just to be safe. Want some more? What's the... Oh. Oh, yeah! This part. I was stuck for a while at this part because I had no idea what to do or where to go. Well, now I'm back and I'm moderately smarter, so, you know. Come on. Did you just break these? Yeah, it's that. I had no idea where to go because I didn't think you wanted to break a goddamn statue. Oh, for a second I thought that was water. I could just jump in, but no, it's not. If only I knew how to hammer editor. That'd be cool. Well, here we go. Enter the hole? Yes. No. No. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, nice. Not falling for your shit, Andreas. No! You too. BTPD! Yeah, no, we got that. Ooh. Oh, that's the door it opens. Okay. Well, time to backtrack. Oh. Evening, gentlemen. Later. Not evening to you. What the hell? You're disgusting. Alright, well. That's enough of that. Oh, man. I need to get a life. Actually, I think that's like another horror mod. Get a life. And it's like the prelude to another horror mod called Grey, which is surprisingly good. It's janky, but it's good. And yeah, check it out if you can, or if you want to. Because those guys made Remorse the List. That is low. I know I keep describing everything by the words pretty damn good, but I don't know what else to say. It's just, it is what it is. If it's good, it's good. And another thing I was talking about in the last video is, Final Fantasy Remake. That taught me that, like, the main strategy for the game, or, like, for any horror game, is to, like, shoot them, like, a couple times, then just melee. Because that does the trick. Pretty often. Oh, wait, no, I think I found the AK in here somewhere. Oh, God! Damn it. That was bad. Alright, finally. 100 battery, and oh. You know, guess we'll use it. It's an MP5, it's like, I like this gun. I'll use it, why not? This just feels like a trap. This feels like the setup for a trap. Okay. I'll use it for now, then I'm dumping it and going back to the shotgun, because I like the shotgun. The shotgun's cool. The shotgun is my friend. The shotgun is safe throughout. That was cheap. That was really cheap. What the hell? Screw you, Andreas. I keep going to the wrong places. So there's gotta be something in here I can get. Like a key or something. Somewhere to climb into, maybe? There you go. Nice and light. What is this architecture? What the up? Architecture? Architecture. Good God. I was right bringing this. Oh! Alright then, wow. God damn. Wheelchair man jump scare. Alright, let's go. How the hell did he sneak up on me? I thought I was good at the game. Actually, I'm not. I'm just getting myself into thinking that I am. We're good. I have a feeling that's gonna break, so I'm just gonna go over here. Why am I running like this when I think it's gonna break? Why was my flashlight on? Why am I doing any of the things that I'm doing? Why is this? Why is that? When am I? Doc, where the hell are we? When the hell are we, Marty? When the hell are we? Good. I'm gonna go back and get that battery later. Actually, I don't know if I'll be ever coming back here, so I might just grab it. Let's see it. Full battery! That's like the first time I've ever seen that in the entire game. 100% battery. I am happy with that. Down here? Or was it back here? I think it was back here. Whoa. I think I'm backtracking way too far. Am I? Yeah, I probably am. Wait. No, I was not! Huzzah! Alright, nice. Progress. Okay. Again, I'm really sorry I don't have anything interesting to talk about. How many times did I pop that so hard? No! Thank you. Okay. Sometimes when I'm scared, I just sound like Resident 2 Leon. Like Resident 2 Remake Leon, not... Is it just me, or does everyone ignore what I say, Leon? Oh, alright, we're doing this now. Are these ghosts? Yeah, screw Luigi, we got David in here. I'm good, thanks. Oh god. Oh, what have I done? I made a mistake. 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 Alright. This is fine. Wow. That was bad. Oh my god. I hate how this sounds. Which is good. That's good audio design. Oh, way back here. What have I... Oh, god damn it. Oh, god damn it. Oh, god damn it. Oh, god damn it. Down here? No. Come on. Come on. No. There you go. Okay. Are there, like, pills anywhere that I can get? Because I really need those. Okay, why am I actually panicking at this? It's a video game. I shouldn't be. I shouldn't be this nervous. Okay. Okay, deep breaths. We're good. We're good. That's the thing. Nothing down here for me. Oh, I hate the audio, but it's at the same time it's meant to make me uncomfortable. I like it. Come at me, you coward. I need pills bad. I'm weeding off the addiction. Oh, no, that's a barnacle. Right then. Ooh, okay, that's clever, I think. I nearly walked right into one. Where do I go from here? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna guess. Oh god. I'm going the wrong way, aren't I? Oh, wait. No, I'm not. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm good. I don't think I'm good, but oh! Yeah, I am definitely not good. What was in those pills? Can I... What is this? Platforming! Okay, wow. And the fact that I meant to make a leap of faith all the way here? Look, I like Half-Life platforming as much as the next guy, but come on. How do you expect me to do that, man? There we go, finally. David on the monkey bars. Just... Alright. Nice. Oh no. I gotta do more running and gunning here, don't I? I should probably sleep. It's like 2 in the morning and I'm here doing this. Well, sleep for suckers. Then again, oh, right, this part. Gotta activate something, right? Well, I mean, I certainly activated something. Yeah, I always found this to be kind of jank. It's weird, but I love it, and oh god. This is not scary as much the first time I did this. Okay. That is so stupid. I like it. I love it. Amazing. Comedy gold. That killed me a fair few times on the first try. Man, all I'm doing in this series is making myself look like a giant pussy. God, okay, well. I should go make it like another rendered source filmmaker just for this, just for this. Actually, I can't be bothered. I can't be asked. I'll post it tonight and then just sleep. Hey, we're back here. Old friend, you've lied to me. I can't follow the red. There are monsters I must take care of. I'm scared to use my... That's why I'm scared to use my melee combat. Because I don't know where I can and can't walk on. Right. This time we're taking it slow. Easy does it. Oh, I only have 5 shots. What am I doing? What am I doing? What? What have I done? What the hell have I done? Jesus, this is so much more nerve-wracking. Just focus on the red. Don't worry about the thing, just focus on the red. Focus on the red. Deep breaths. Focus. Just... I feel like this is gonna break, but I want to see where this leads me to. I called it! Wait, can I survive that, actually? I want to go back there. I want to see if I can get back in time. Oh, wait, does it just turn sideways? Okay. I don't know why I keep trying this, because I know I'm just going to keep dying, but still. Okay. What if I just crouch on it, maybe? Because it looks like it turned sideways. I panicked! Why did I panic? Don't panic. Don't panic. God damn it. I flinched. Okay, deep breaths. Focus. Oh. I think it's just meant to kill you. Well, okay then. That was anticlimactic and stupid. Ugh. Just like me. Right? Slow down. You don't know when the next jump could be, like that. Slow down. Easy does it. And... oh, hey. Oh, hey, that's a cult symbol. Or Satan symbol. Satan? What am I saying? Satan symbol. Whatever. Star David, I think. Yay! We've done both Leon and Claire's routes, and oh god, okay. Oh, you're one of those fat ones, aren't you? Oh, strong ones, though. Yeah, why do I keep wanting to use my pistol? It's out of ammo, god damn it! It's out of ammo because I'm an irresponsible idiot that keeps using damn pistol rounds when I don't need to. Just learn to use the shotgun, man. Don't try and bunch up enemies together. Also, little brag here. Speaking of bunching enemies together to blast them away with a shotgun, I have like 30-something playthroughs of RE4 Remake. I'm sorry, I like the game that much. Oh. Huh. Okay. Where'd the Glock go? Can I use that for the time being? Yeah, there you go. Just until I find more pistol ammo for the, P226. P228. I have never understood the iron sights on this thing. That looks electrical. I need to look at that. What, is he like an electrician or something? Thank you, David. Thank you. Thank you very much for your insight. Oh, what would we do without you? Wait, was he? Oh. For a second I thought he had the, high-res player model. I need to find something to kill with this thing. Because I want to get back to my other pistol, because I like that one more. Because the Glock, don't get me wrong, I love the Glock, but like, I'm afraid of monsters, it's just a waste of ammo. Takes up a whole bunch of rounds, barely does anything to even tickle the enemy. Yeah. Not very supple, not very satisfactory. And this, oh, hi. You see what I mean? 6 shots for 1 kill. As opposed to like the other gun, P228, does in like, I don't know, 3 or 4? Alright. I'm gonna start leaving lights on to show where I've been and where I haven't. Forgive me. Nice. I already got that ending, so I don't need to do that. I'm sorry. You didn't deserve that. You're just a guy in a wheelchair. Go ahead, man. I could have let him be, man. I could have let him be. Alright, hi, I'm back. And I forgot that I don't need to get the rope yet. I need to get the car keys. Because with the car keys, I can open the trunk, and that is where the rope is. How did I miss that? I don't know how I'm missing all, but I am sorry. Oh, finally. Damn it! Oh, I took a hit. You know, just kill me. As I was saying, yeah, car keys. There's nothing in here, but I'm gonna break these boxes anyway because it's satisfying. Donk. Donk. Boink. Donk. There you go. That's enough funny, stupid, loud haha YouTuber making. Hi. I'll take that over the goddamn fence. If I touched it once, it got rid of like 40 health. Oh, we're good. Okay. Easy does it, boys. Oh. That's not comforting at all. Whoosh. Oh, another shot. I need to start using what I have right now. It has way too much ammo. And my god, I'm really wasting my life away, huh? I need to do something with my life, but I like this thing. There's the rope. Now with this, set up over here. You piece of shit. You unlovable bastard. Talk about biting the hand that feeds. No. Okay, we're good. No. No! I don't consent. Stop. I have all this magnum and shotgun ammo, and I barely have anything in my pistol. What the hell? Oh. Ow. Hey! It's the knife from the start of the game. Oh, how I missed you. Not really. How I missed your speed. Anyways. The funny thing is, whenever I play Cry of Fear, I never pick up the baton because I just like the speed and versatility of like the switchblade. There's something about it that can't be beat, you know? Oh yeah, I picked up keys off the floor. I wasn't paying attention to what they're for, so I'm probably a bit of a dumbass. I'm just gonna go around using these keys on every single door I find and then hope it works. Remember, if it works for Silent Hill, it works for this place probably. Oh, wait! Those keys are probably for the power thing. So I can turn it off, and then go across. Oh. Me and think hard. Me and big brain. On occasion. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, okay, no, 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 no. No! Stop! Okay. I'm on, of course it's locked. It must be being locked. Well, at least I cleared this place up for later. Oh god. Oh, I am terrified. Okay. Golly. I'm not even gonna make a joke anymore. That's just getting annoying. Sorry. No! Just kill me. Oh, come on, I'm back here. I've come to the realization that this is tedious as hell. I'm gonna stop playing for now. Yeah. Bye.